Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest and best in the market to help you shop smarter. In today's video, we're introducing you to the best necklace women layered dainty gold, the Fwlisesa gold layered necklaces for women. If you're into minimalist yet elegant accessories that bring a chic vibe to your outfit, you'll want to stick around for the next 5 minutes. Let's dive right into what makes this layered necklace set from Fwlisesa so special. When you first unbox the necklace, you're immediately struck by its elegant simplicity. It's a two-piece set that includes a paperclip chain and a box chain. Both pieces are designed to be worn together, creating a modern, layered look that suits everything from casual streetwear to a polished wedding outfit. The material here is brass, and it's plated with 14K gold. That makes it not only eye-catching but also affordable without compromising on aesthetics. The finish is smooth, lustrous, and it definitely catches the light in a subtle, flattering way. One of the standout features is its durability. It's waterproof, tarnish-resistant, nickel-free, and lead-free. That means it's also hypoallergenic, perfect for those with sensitive skin who still want to enjoy beautiful jewelry without any irritation. The dimensions are also tailored for easy layering. The paperclip chain measures 15 inches, and the box chain is 17 inches. Both include a 2-inch extension, giving you some flexibility depending on your neckline or if you want a slightly looser fit. The clasps are sturdy and don't feel flimsy at all, which is impressive at this price point. Styling this necklace set is super easy. You can wear it with a casual white tee and jeans, or dress it up with an off-shoulder dress or a silk blouse. It adds that effortless glow to your outfit without feeling like you're overdoing it. It also works beautifully with other dainty accessories like gold hoops or stackable rings. Now, let's talk about gift potential. The Fwlisesa necklace set is a perfect gift idea. Whether it's for Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Day, or graduation, this piece ticks all the boxes. It's chic, versatile, thoughtful, and it looks far more expensive than it is. It comes in compact, secure packaging, which makes the gifting experience even better. And here's the bonus. This necklace set is not only stylish but also timeless. The design doesn't rely on trendy motifs that fade with the seasons. Instead, it offers a clean, classic look that you'll want to wear year after year. To wrap it all up, the Fwlisesa gold layered necklaces are a standout in the world of affordable jewelry. They combine quality, comfort, and trendiness in one elegant package. If you're looking for the best necklace women layered dainty gold, this is the one you want in your collection. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more honest product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.